Meet the Teton Pivot Arm Cot. Not only are they comfortable, they're tough. In fact, they're the toughest cots we've ever made. How tough, you may ask? Tough enough to withstand 99 monkeys jumping on the bed. Tough enough to support over 600 pounds of fresh cut lumber. Tough enough to hold up against an MVP linebacker. Tough enough to hold up a 5-time sumo wrestling champion. And tough enough to withstand a Bigfoot attack. The Teton Pivot Arm Cot is tough in every way, except the setup. This cot isn't just tough, it's Teton tough.
Was it something I said, or something I didn't? I still blow, and I remember, was there ever a chance when I first met you? You know I tried, you see me fail.
This is a Teton Sports introduction to the Outfitter XXL cot. The bed of the Outfitter XXL cot is made from a heavy-duty 600D poly canvas, and the high load-bearing steel S-leg design easily holds up to 600 pounds spread out evenly over the cot. It's high quality at an affordable price. This is a portable cot and comes in a durable side-load carrying bag with a shoulder strap. Setup's a breeze once you get all 4 pins in. Just stretch, pull, and push down that last end bar. The Outfitter XXL is part of our collection of outdoor gear, compatible with the Outfitter XXL camp pad, cot organizer, gun sleeve, and cot under storage, designed to give you the best base camp experience anywhere. The Outfitter XXL cot will give you a great night's sleep every time, and it also makes a great extra bed for guests. The Outfitter XXL cot, along with all Teton products, comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which means we've got you covered. We have an awesome customer service team based here in the US that's ready to get you fixed up and back outdoors. Thanks for watching, get outdoors, and enjoy life.